Beyond its culinary uses, parsley stands as a verdant treasure trove of therapeutic properties. Not confined to mere flavor enhancement, this herb emerges as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a rich supply of essential vitamins such as K, C, B, and A, accompanied by vital minerals like potassium and iron. Its versatile benefits extend to supporting long-term weight balance, blood sugar regulation, and safeguarding the liver from the degenerative impacts of diabetes. Parsley transcends its role as a culinary herb and proves to be a formidable ally against a variety of diseases, including asthma, colon cancer, diabetes, and atherosclerosis. Acting as a robust immune system booster, it wages war against inflammation, protects blood vessels, and reduces the risk of cancer. Furthermore, parsley shines as a natural remedy for swollen feet, combating edema by efficiently eliminating excess fluid from the body. This herb's prowess isn't limited to diuretic properties, it also enhances kidney function, ensuring the efficient expulsion of water from the body while maintaining normal potassium levels. Unlike chemical diuretics, parsley accomplishes this without adverse effects, showcasing its natural and holistic approach to health. For those keen on unlocking parsley's benefits, crafting parsley tea at home offers a simple yet effective method. Boil water, pour a portion into a cup, and add a quarter of fresh, chopped parsley leaves. After a 5 to 7 minute steeping period, strain the tea and savor its refreshing taste. Incorporating 2 quarts of parsley tea into your daily routine maximizes its potential benefits, making parsley an indispensable component of a wholesome lifestyle. Parsley's historical significance in traditional medicine further underscores its valuable role in promoting health. Dating back centuries, various cultures have revered parsley for its medicinal properties, using it to address an array of ailments. This rich historical tapestry contributes to the herb's enduring reputation as a natural remedy. Moreover, the ease with which parsley can be incorporated into everyday meals makes it a practical and accessible choice for those seeking to enhance their well-being. From garnishing salads to adding depth to soups, parsley seamlessly integrates into diverse cuisines, offering a delightful and healthful culinary experience. This versatility ensures that individuals can effortlessly incorporate parsley into their diets, reaping its numerous health benefits without sacrificing flavor. In conclusion, parsley transcends its conventional culinary role, emerging as a potent force in promoting health and well-being. Its nutritional richness, disease-fighting properties, and historical significance position parsley as a versatile herb with a holistic impact on our physical health. Whether enjoyed in meals or as a therapeutic tea, parsley stands as a testament to the power of nature in nurturing and sustaining our bodies.